Adidas and Puma began in the same factory, owned by two brothers, in a small German town called Herzogenaurach. Today, they are global sportswear giants, worn by elite athletes, sold worldwide. But the partnership didn't survive, and when it collapsed, the town split with it. In the 1920s, Adolf Adi Dassler and Rudolf Dassler ran the Dassler brothers shoe factory. Adi focused on product development. Rudolf handled sales. It worked. The breakthrough came in 1936. Jesse Owens wore their spikes at the Berlin Olympics. He won 4 gold medals. That moment proved something critical. Athletic endorsement builds brand power. By the late 1940s, the brothers separated. The business split. Adi formed Adidas. Rudolf founded Puma. Both companies stayed in the same town. Geography became structure. A river divided them. Employees aligned with one company. 2 firms, 1 town. Constant proximity. They weren't separated by markets. They were separated by a river. Factories were within walking distance. Workers saw each other daily. Recruitment was competitive. Talent retention mattered. Every design choice was observed. Every production move was noticed. There was no distance to absorb mistakes. Pressure was immediate. That pressure accelerated decision-making. It reduced complacency. It forced both companies to refine faster than if they had been alone. They shared labor pools, shared suppliers, shared knowledge. Each understood the other's capabilities. Competition became calculated, strategic. Endorsements turned into weapons. Major tournaments became strategic opportunities. A single contract could influence national visibility. A World Cup could shift market share. Athletes were no longer customers. They were distribution channels. If Adidas secured a national team, Puma countered. If Puma entered a sport, Adidas expanded there. There was no neutral ground. The rivalry forced differentiation. Adidas leaned into engineering. Puma leaned into identity. Clarity hardened. Scale followed. Major tournaments amplified the stakes. Neither could ignore the other. Competition accelerated innovation. It sharpened positioning. It strengthened both. What began as a personal fracture became institutional structure. 2 global corporations emerged from one split workshop. Not because they started differently, but because separation forced definition. Identity enabled scale. Today, both operate across continents. Their headquarters remain in the same town, still divided. The brothers never reconciled, but the split endured. 2 companies, same river, and that separation built 2 global systems.